Hey, this is Sohini from Dabble Lab, and in our previous video we learned how to use the test skill functionality in our VS Code toolkit for Alexa skill development. So we learned how to test our skill locally through our Visual Code Studio. So now in this tutorial we'd learn about save and replace sessions and for an Alexa skill. So let's say you have multiple utterances which are same or similar, or sometimes they can be different, and you want to save them and replay them later. So you can do that. So let me just do multiple utterances again. Let's do help this time. Okay, let's say hello. Cool, so now I think we've got multiple utterances. So now I want to export this. So I would export this to demo skill. Okay, done. And that's it, you've exported it. That means you've saved it. Now you want to replay the session. So when you go to replay session, and then when you go to this one, this was the file that we saved, and you open this. Do you see it's replaying? It's happening automatically. I'm not doing anything. It's just giving you the entire replay. So to see this better, what you can do is just get away from your VS Code and reopen it and then test it out so that the previous utterances get erased and you can see it. I think this is cool, and especially in terms of demo, when you want to show someone a demo, then you can really use this. This is one of the great use cases. So yeah, so this is another functionality of this toolkit, of this extension that is also new. So you can use this, and if you have any questions you can let me know in the comments below. And if you really like this tutorial, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. In our next video we'll be talking about something more interesting. To watch that, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.